Here we are in the Chapter 1 review exercises, numbers 1 through 9 and their solutions. Let's recall that number 1, you're going to be making a visual chart. That is a grid format where we have Chapter 1 material here. You're going to put Chapter 1 up there and you're going to put rules and examples and highlight things and those things that are most important with what you've learned in Chapter 1. Okay, let's go through these. Number 2. Follow the order of operations to solve. The order of operations here, these guys are connected together, so that's a 5 plus, and then all in the parentheses are together, but inside the parentheses, we need to make sure that we have 3 times 6 is 18. So 7 minus 18 is negative 11. 5 plus a negative 11, they are opposite signs, so we need to subtract them. 11 minus 5 is 6, and then with a minus sign on the larger number or on the stronger number, we have negative 6 as the answer. Number 3, 3 to the 4th minus 27 divided by 3. We've got to take care of exponents first, so this is 81 minus, and then these two are together, 9, and that's inside this set of parentheses here. That's divided by 2 plus 4 times, and then this set of parentheses, so that's 4 times a negative 6. Okay, what can we do there? In this parentheses, we get 72 divided by 2 plus a negative 24. Plus a negative 24, so that's minus 24. So we have to take care of the division before the subtraction. We get 72 divided by 2 is 36 minus 24. That equals 12. Excellent. Number 4. Evaluate the expression with the given variables. So here we have 5r plus 7r squared when r is negative 3. So we're going to take negative 3 and stick it in there. And then we're going to stick it in there. So we get 5 times a negative 3 plus 7 times a negative 3 squared. When you're using your calculator, it is very important that this negative 3 have the parentheses on it, because you've got to take negative 3 times negative 3, better be a positive 9. So this is negative 15 plus 7 times 9. Negative 15 plus a 7 times 9 is 63. So that is their opposite signs, so we subtract them. 63 minus 15 is 48, and the stronger number is positive. Good. Now let's do number 5, 6a over b. So that's 6 times a, which is 3, over b, which is 4. So that is 6 times 3 is 18 over 4. That's a fraction that can reduce into 9 halves, or it could be a 4.5 if we turned it into a decimal. All righty, number 6. Roy earns M amount of money per month. Jessica earns 2M minus 360. How much does Jessica earn if Roy earns $700 per month? So it's saying 700 is M. Good. And so we've got to do 2 times 700 minus 360. Oops, I put an extra parentheses on there. 2 times 700 minus 360, and that equals 1,400 minus 360. That's 1,040. Oh, probably better put the dollar sign on there as well. All right, number 7. Translate the following into math. Frank, we're going to make that an F. Frank is, there's our equal sign right there, 23 years less than, but that subtraction, remember that's the 23 is being subtracted from twice Julie's age. All right, so we get Frank is 23 is subtracted from twice Julie's age. Good. Number 8, there are 3 times as many kittens as puppies. That means there are more kittens here. So let's write this out a little bit different. The number of kittens is 3 times the number of puppies. 3 times the number of puppies. So K is 3P. Yeah, remember, that's a confusing one. This will switch them around. There are 3 times as many kittens as puppies. That means the kittens, there are 3 times more kittens. The number of kittens is 3 times the number of puppies. There we go. And so that's where we get that one from. All right, and the last one, number 9. We have a price, that'll be P, increased by 7%, that's 0.07 of the price, is equal to 363.80. All right, so that just, it kind of wrote itself. P plus 0.07P equals 363.8. Marvelous.